Hello, welcome to Stampin' by Hannah. Thank you for joining me today. Thank you for joining me for a special bonus video. I do not normally post on this day of the week. I don't know what day of the week this is going to come out when as I film this. I just know I need to film it. So, I have had lots of happy mail in my craft room recently and I thought I would share it with you. There are some projects in here, there are some items in here from my team leader, there are some items in here from a fabulous team swap, and there is something very, very special at the back. So, this is the one that arrived with me today from my fabulous team leader. I don't actually know what's inside there yet. I haven't actually peeled and peeked and had a look. And she's such a naughty little enabler because none of this was on my wish list. None of it. Gonna have to have all of it now. She's naughty. But she's made a fabulous, really cute little envelope. I am sure there was a tutorial on this one. And the I don't know if she'll have a tutorial on the card, but there will definitely be a blog post on it. But I love getting some happy mail. It did come with a fabulous stamp set too. As part of Stampin' Up, we get so many freebies from Stampin' Up themselves and from team as well. My particular team leader was very generous, as am I, with anybody who wants to shop or join Stampin' Up with me. During July we do have a fabulous joining offer where you get to pick a full 10 ink pads, one of the colour families, either the brights, the regals, the subtles, the neutrals, or you can have all 10 of the in colours for free in your starter kit, which I think is just awesome. I will be waffling about that one a lot in July, but I was just, today as I film this I feel really rubbish. I've got an ear infection, as I'm sure you will be well aware of. I've waffled about it in a few videos recently. And I feel dreadful. But this really brightened my day, so lovely to get happy mail in the post. I have also, one of the things we do as a team is when we launch a new catalogue, we do a swap. And the lovely Amanda Charlesworth, Scrimping Mummy, has put us into like groups of 6. And I sent my swap card off a few weeks ago and I did do a video on it. I will try and remember to link it up here. If not, it'll be linked at the very end. So we swap projects really, using items in the new catalogue. So I've got 5 fabulous projects to share with you. The first one is this one. This is a fun bookmark using that lovely designer vellum. This one is from Halsey, who is slim and stylish here on YouTube and at her blog too. She makes some fabulous projects and I love this. I've been looking at this colour going, what colour is that? And I think it's that beautiful new soft sea foam. When it arrived last night I thought it was very vanilla, but I think that was probably the lighting. But I love that, and we've got that lovely new cord as well, very pretty. Then this one arrived as well. Some of these arrived while I was on holiday, so they've literally they arrived with me in my hands yesterday. And this one is from Rebecca, and I love this. Like I said, same with this project here. Tropical isn't my thing, but I tell you what, I'm going to have to at some point this year, because these are just stunning. And bless her, she's gone and all the trouble of making a bookmark to go as well. I think that's lovely. Great sentiment. You are the greatest. No, I love the team. They're fabulous. Do lots and lots of things with the team. And we have so much fun together. I think it's very cool. They are some of the greatest people in the world. This one is from Louise, and I love this. I haven't got this stamp set. This is the Varied Vases, which is one of the $1 million stamp sets for 2018, designed by the lovely Mary Fish. When she hit her $1 million. Anybody who sells $1 million worth of Stampin' Up stuff gets to make a stamp set. I would love to think that one day that might be me. I don't think it will be, but hey, it's fine. We can have goals and aspirations, can't we? Getting me on a holiday with them will be more than enough. And so, yeah, I love this. I think that's very, very cool. Using some watercolour paper. She's watercoloured the water in the vase, and I just think it's lovely. This one, and you see, I've kept the envelope and completely butchered it because, oh, that's my address. Sam, bless her, has stamped the envelope, which I think is lovely. And she sent me this card, and this uses the stitched all around bundle, which I completely in love with. Love this label, I think it's beautiful. And then we've got stitched oval as well, and it's purple. that's winning for me. What's in there? Is there anything in that one? No, nothing in that one. That's just a holding thing. This one is from the lovely Vicky Thompson of Penguin Crafts. I love this. She's got there's some Wink of Stella on here, and it uses the lovely Share What You Love Designer Sisters paper and the Love What You Do stamp set. I think that's beautiful. Love this. Took me ages to work out what she'd done as well. This dotty ribbon doesn't move. It's completely stuck. But it's mesh. How on earth has she stuck it? And I think what she's done is she's popped little dots of glue behind each one of the dots on the ribbon, so it's completely stuck. I can get my finger underneath this edge, and that's it. I think that's really nifty. Thanks, Vicky. And then this turned up in my mail a few weeks ago, and I got home from work. I'd had a really bad day and thought, oh, this post. Oh, God, right, okay. And I walk up the stairs looking at what, because I live in a third floor flat, kind of going through the posting, what's come. And I spotted this envelope that's got Stampin' Up and a Utah address on it. And I'm going, well, that's where Stampin' Up's head office is. Why have I got post from Stampin' Up? That's just, like, totally crazy. They've stamped the envelope, opened me, and it's just so cute. Consider yourself hugged on the back. I think it's just love that envelope. I'm keeping the envelope. And inside was this, which is the now retired Love What We Do Statement of the Heart in a stamp, which I've still got and I'm keeping. But it's this beautiful little card, and inside there is a sample of all of the Share What You Love Designer Sisters paper, which is beautiful. It's still available. It's available all year, and I absolutely love it. And a little note inside from Brandy, who says, Hannah, thank you for sharing your ideas and experience in the Demonstrator Planning Place Facebook group. Happy stamping, heart, Brandy. And I've completely forgotten that a couple of months ago they'd set a challenge to us in the Demonstrator exclusive Facebook group to share a project that we'd made using this suite. And I'd totally forgotten all about it, and I'd put in there one of the projects I'd made, I think on Facebook Live. I'll if I can find it, I'll link the video up here. And I totally forgot about it. So when this arrived, I just went, oh my goodness, like completely, totally blown away. And it's one of the reasons why I absolutely love Stampin' Up. How cool is that, to get post from the other side of the world, because it's Utah. Utah is a long way away from me, and I just thought that was fabulous. So thank you ever so much, Brandy at Stampin' Up, because that just made my day. So that is everything, all the happy mail I've got recently from all of my stamping buddies. Thank you so much for joining me, and I hope to see you again really, really soon. If you want to send me happy mail, by the way, my contact details are over on the contact me page of my blog. Link is in the down bar below. And I will see you again really soon. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time. Bye for now.